Welcome back to Things Made Simple. It is time for another quick update on the Midi loop router. This, as you can see, is now in module form as opposed to breadboard form. And it does all the same things that I was showing you before. It has the same ability to loop different MIDI signals that are coming into the system, and then you can change sort of the frame and how long it is, how much quantizing there is, and of course as it repeats you can change things like how quickly the notes fade out. But I could talk about it, or we could just take a quick loop and then feed it into it, and then we can see what it does. So here is a loop that's coming off of an Arturio BeatStep Pro, and the MIDI is being fed in here into channel 0, and the output is going just into a wave trigger that is in my modular synth. So let's take a listen. So this is just the regular beat. No effects are being added to it. It's just passing the MIDI signal from the input to the output. But if we turn it on to record, as you can see, it creates some interesting polyrhythms that happen with the beat just being layered on top of itself. But this gets even more interesting when you take advantage of these CV inputs and you feed in a low frequency oscillator. And of course you can change the length of the loop. And you can change the level of quantizing. And of course, when you're done, you can just reset the whole thing by pushing the reset button. And then from there, it just starts to rebuild the loop. So that is the MIDI loop and router module as it exists right now. I can talk more about things like how it actually routes inputs to outputs and all that jazz, but this is a good overview of kind of the main looping features. If you guys have any ideas of other things to add to this or ways to make the software a little bit better, just let me know. Thanks for watching.